Hello, today I'm going to demonstrate how to create ruching or ruffles or to show puckering in a fabric using the pattern brush tool in Illustrator. Now, what I've done first is created a little section of lines that demonstrate ruching or ruffling. You can see I've got those right here. So what I'm going to do is select those and literally just drag and drop them into my brushes palette. Now, upon doing that, I get a menu to create a new brush. Now, I want to create a pattern brush. And in here, we can name it ruching. Now, there's a bunch of different settings in here that you can play around with, but for the basics, you just leave everything as is and say OK. Now, you can see it's added a brush to my brushes menu. Now, if I take my pen tool and draw a line, I want to demonstrate that this is a down vest and it has this stitching here, so to help emphasize the type of fabric, I'm going to put these squiggly lines on there to help show the puckers that you would get in the fabric. We'll adjust the positioning of that a little bit. And drag another one down here. And you can see we can add those to all of these sections in here, which will quickly give the impression of a down vest with the stitching. Now, a couple things that you should note. The directionality of your brush is determined by which way you draw. So, if you draw from left to right and apply your brush, it will apply it face up, meaning in the same direction that it is in your brushes palette. If, however, you draw from right to left and apply your brush, it flips it 180. So when we want to put puckers on the bottom side of the stitching, we would draw then from right to left, which would create the puckers in the correct directionality for us. Now, there's a lot of different types of brushes you can make for fashion. You can see I made a double needle top stitching brush to do these lines here, and you can see all that is 2 rows of dashed lines. I have a zipper brush that you can see in the center here. That works quite well for designing these zippers. And the possibilities are really endless. I hope you understand now how to make a basic pattern brush and can apply those to your fashion sketches. Thank you.